Hi, Sharon here. Just wanted to give you some proof that Global MPN does pay every month. I don't want to just say, oh, Global MPN pays every month. And, you don't know whether to believe me or not. As you can see, this is me sitting right there. You can see Sharon's, dear Sharon Stewart. It is me. This is my email. And I'm going to show you from February all the way up to October. Note that it says November 2nd, 2014 here. That means they haven't paid me yet because it hasn't been the time yet to pay. They pay usually around the 15th, 16th, 17th, just depending on where you are in the country, and it depends on where the calendar month falls. So if it falls on the 15th on a weekend, they're not going to pay you. They only may pay from Monday through Friday. They also pay you a month after you get the person in. So if you get the person in January, you're going to get paid for that person the following month. Okay. So I joined in January. I got someone in right away and I got paid. Now, in the beginning, they only had the option to be in Payoneer and also Payza. Payza stopped working with the United States, and I didn't really want to use Payza, so I used Payoneer and got the debit card. Now you can have it going straight into your bank account, which I totally prefer, and I switched over to that when I had the opportunity. But in the beginning, they did not. So as you can see here, my debit card was loaded February 28th. It was a little bit late that month, but I did get paid. I think I had some issues with the attempt. You see, you attempted to edit the Payoneer account, la la la. It was just getting started, so there were some issues, but they did pay me and loaded up my MasterCard, which is what I got in Global MPN in Payoneer. So that's what I had in March. These are just duplicates saying the same thing, but in March you could see good news, you received payment to Global MPN, and they loaded it on March 22nd. Then in April, I switched it over straight into my bank account, which is much smoother than the some people prefer the debit card. I do not. I'd rather have it in my bank account. Then I use my own debit card because I already have a debit card, right, from my bank account. So you could see Global MPN has sent you a payment, dear Sharon Stewart, on April. May, Global has sent you a payment. June, Global MPN sends you a payment. July, Global MPN sends you a payment. August, Global MPN sends you a payment. September, Global MPN sends you a payment. October the 16th was the last, the 208. Global MPN sent you a payment. We are now in November 2nd, and they will send me a payment around this time this month. Guys, get inside. It's just $1. They do pay. That is why they've been around so long on the net. Take care, and I hope to meet you inside.